Now let's see if we can finish off this floor. So if we go back into my section here, now what I want to do is put that blinding, concrete blinding underneath here, or the sand blinding. What is it called up as? It is called up as, yeah, sand blinding. Okay, we've got some hardcore underneath that as well, which extends out here. I don't really need to do that at the moment. I might just extend the hardcore as far as there. Okay, so we'll do that first, and so we're going to create a new floor type here. So we will duplicate this, and this will be type 3. Okay, and we'll pop in here, and so I want to substitute that one for sand, and I think the sand is down on site here. Site sand. Okay. We'll just leave that there for the moment, and that was I'm going to put in 70 for that. Right, we're going to substitute this one out, and this is going to be our hardcore. Okay, so again, site. Earth hardcore, and I'll again I always like that. I told you why I like to do that. Okay, and then we can take this and delete, and we got those two there, and we'll make this about 225, say 2 layers of 120, 100 each, maybe 250 then. Okay, do that for the moment. Now, right, okay, so we'll sketch this out now, and again I'll use the pick line, that's probably the handiest one. And for the moment, so am I going to pull it in around there or go straight through? To be honest with you, the machine is just going to pull that out all the way across there, so we'll do that one. Now if you want to go to the trouble of bringing this all the way around the corners and all that, you can do that. Okay. Now, height and offset, so we just put in -300 for the moment, and we'll finish that. Okay, and we'll go to our section, and we will pick this one up, and we'll use our modify. So, to this, align that. Right. Okay. Now, let's check a couple of distances here. That one is 300. All right. So I'm going to make this 300, or will I make? I'll put it down onto the hardcore is what I'll do. So it'll be 370. Okay. Now, wouldn't it be great if I could just move that structural foundation to the side a little bit here? And well, let's see if we can. So. This is a tool I haven't seen before, but I'm going to put in a 50mm there, and it shifted it across here. Now I might push that back a little bit because I'm only looking for 50mm of an upstand material there, and then I'll take that, go into edit type, and I'll make the foundation, it'll be 370 I think. Alright, yep. Okay. So that's sitting in on top of that there, and we could bring that hardcore out a little bit further in that case. Right, so we can tidy all of those things up there. Now what I want to do is create my stand here. Now as I said, Tom has good videos on how to do this. I'm going to do it my way. And I'm going to the ground floor again here, and I'm going to go into there, into wall. And I'll create a wall. It'll be a foundation wall, so I'll duplicate this one, and this will be wall is upstand. We'll make this 5. Okay, and we'll go that out for our HPA mineral wool insulation or the poly rigid foam. Okay, and the thickness is going to be 50 mil. Right, I think that's ready to go. And up here we're going from top to there, ground, and the base offset will be around, say, minus 400. I'll correct that when I get to it. Okay. Now positioning this one is going to be a little bit more tricky, but what I'll do is I'll just shift it across, so I'll just do one. Okay, as far as there, and let's get in here. There it is there. So let's align it now. Modify align. So do this, align that. There we go. Okay, so I could add another. Let's try 50. Yeah. Now, so there's my. Let's stand there. There's that one. TL on the keyboard. You can see that one a little bit better. Yeah, I could probably do something with those lines as well if I wanted. But I think I'll bring the hardcore out a little bit further for that. Okay, now I'll repeat that the whole way around, and that is basically my floor and my walls sorted.